Most people are paying a digital tax every single month just to keep their own photos and documents from disappearing into the void. We have been conditioned to think that the cloud is this magical place. But really, it is just someone else's computer. It is time to talk about taking that power back with a private storage hub that actually lives in your house. I've been testing this compact little unit that looks more like a piece of modern art than a piece of tech equipment. It is crafted from a mix of aluminum and sturdy plastic, making it light but surprisingly premium to the touch. The design is incredibly clever. Instead of fumbling with tiny screws or specialized tools, you just lift off a magnetic top cover. It feels very high-end, like something you would see on a luxury gadget. Under that lid, you slide in a standard small hard drive or a solid-state drive. It clicks into place with this reassuring stability. Once that drive is seated, you just plug it into your router and hit the power. That is basically the entire hardware setup. From there, the software takes the wheel. You download a dedicated app on your phone or your computer, and the system usually finds your new hub instantly. You give it a name, maybe something personal, and set up your security credentials. It is refreshing to see a process that does not require a degree in network engineering. This little box is powered by a snappy processor and a healthy amount of internal memory, which means it does not lag when you are trying to find that one specific photo from 3 years ago. It operates in total silence, which is a huge deal if you plan on keeping it on your desk or in a quiet living room. You will not hear any annoying whirring or mechanical grinding sounds while you work. Now, I will be honest with you. If you are deep into the Apple ecosystem, using a phone or a computer from that brand, you might encounter some minor software quirks. It is nothing deal-breaking, but it might require a quick restart of your router or a little patience with the app interface. It is clearly designed to be a bridge for beginners, so it lacks those heavy-duty enterprise features that a massive corporation would need. But for a freelancer, a student, or a family trying to organize their digital life, it is perfect. You can set it to automatically back up your phone the second you walk through the front door. You can stream your entire movie collection to your TV without worrying about buffering or internet outages. And the best part is the financial freedom. You buy the hardware once, and you never pay a subscription fee again. It is your data, stored in your home, under your control. It is a small device that offers a massive amount of peace of mind. Taking a few minutes to run a speed test after you set it up is a good idea, just to make sure your cables are seated properly. Once you see those files flying across your home network, you will realize how much better this is than relying on a distant server owned by a giant corporation. It is simple, it is effective, and it fits right into a modern lifestyle without taking up any space at all. You get that solid, metallic feel of a well-built machine, combined with the silence of a drive that just sits there and does its job. It is the kind of gear that makes you wonder why we ever handed our data over to the big guys in the first place. No more worrying about hackers in some distant server farm. Your files are in the room with you, safe, sound, and always available.